This 2009 Itasca Meridian 35Y is a Class A RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, skylight, TV, slide-out, stovetop burner, microwave, refrigerator, and 92 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2009 Itasca Meridian 35Y is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.